Hi guys, it's Jasmine and welcome back to my channel. I haven't filmed a video in ages because I've been on holiday, so this feels a bit weird because I pre-filmed everything. But for today's video I'm going to be doing what's on my iPhone. The last time I did one of these was like 2 years ago and I had an iPhone 5S, and I recently bought an iPhone 8 because, long story short, I dropped my SE, which was what I got after the 5S, down the toilet. I'm just going to get straight into this video, so I hope you guys enjoy. And I know it's not study related, but I just thought because it's summer, may as well just throw in some non-study related videos. So this is my phone. It's a black space grey one. It's got this cool case that I got from when I was in America. It's got lots of R2-D2s in it, and it says my name in Star Wars, so I got it 3D printed at the Star Wars bit in Disney. So this is my homepage on the phone. It's not very interesting. Everything on this page apart from 2 folders came with the phone, so I'm not going to really go into that. And my stuff folder as well as my bleh folder were really boring, hence why they're called that. My stuff folder didn't come with the phone. It's got stuff like my bank, my phone insurance, the bus timetable and Amazon on it. Not very interesting. Then I have my games folder, which has 2 Geometry Dash games in it, which my brother likes the most. He's finished all 4 sets of Geometry Dash games, but I don't actually think it's true. So yeah. Then I have Pokemon Go, which me and my boyfriend re-downloaded when we were on holiday and caught loads of different Pokemon. So I think we're going to continue doing that when we're at uni, and then like boast to each other what different Pokemons we got. I know we're really sad and we think it's cool. My background was also a picture of me and my boyfriend, but I didn't think he'd want that on the internet, so I just changed it to one of the basic iPhone ones just for this video. And then I have 4 folders on my next page. I only have 2 pages because I just like seeing the background photo, which is a bit sad, but I like seeing the background photo, so I normally put everything into folders. But in my socials folder I have, guess what? Social medias, social medias, social medias. I have Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, WhatsApp, YouTube, Messenger, Facebook, Tumblr, Pinterest and Reddit, which I barely use Reddit, and it's always got this little notification and it's really annoying. It never goes away. My Instagram and Twitter are always down in the description. I have 2 Instagrams. I've got a study related one and a personal one. Follow whatever you like, or follow both. Make me really happy. Everything else in here is kind of private, obviously, apart from YouTube, because you're subscribed or watching my YouTube right now. I hope you're subscribed. If you're not, don't forget to. The button's right down there. Yeah, I'm not that popular, so I don't really get any social media notifications. You know, I'm kind of sad, but... Then I have my school/uni folder. I'm going to make a separate video when I go back to uni on how I'm using these. I have Quizlet, Docs, Drive, Forest, Keynote, Numbers and Pages. The last 3 came with the phone. I've never actually used them, so I'm going to actually do a comparison. Like, Pages and Docs are basically the same thing, so I'm going to do a comparison, see which one I like better and which one's more compatible with my uni stuff. Then I have Editing folder, which I use mainly for my channel art and my thumbnails. I have Superimpose and Fonto, which I use for my thumbnails, and Spark Post, which I use to make my channel banner thing, and let me tell you, that was the biggest pain in the arse. I think I took up like 10 gigabytes of storage, like exporting different types just to see if they worked. I also just realised I've been filming this whole video without my external mic, so I'm just using the mic on the camera, so I'm really sorry if the audio's a bit shit. Then I have my YouTube folder, which I have YouTube stuff that just helps me with YouTube. So the first thing I have is TubeBuddy, which this girl called Jade Dharmawangsa, I think that's how you pronounce her name. She is an entrepreneur and she like helps you grow your YouTube channel. She's only 18. I'll link her channel down below. She recommends this for helping me find keywords for my videos to get them higher up search rankings and stuff. Then I have sub count, which ironically just shows me my sub count. I'm really thankful for 500 subscribers because that was like my goal for this year and I reached it already, so yay, thank you very much. Then I have YouTube Studio, which I use to reply to comments and stuff, Nothing secret on here because I've already uploaded everything. Then I have voice memos, which I use for my voiceovers because I can't get my mic to work with my laptop just now, so I'm gonna get my dad to help me fix that. Then I have iMovie, which is, everyone knows what iMovie is, it's for editing little videos. So if I wanted to film a video on my phone, which I might when I'm doing my days in my live when I go to uni. That's all that's on my phone. I mean, I could show you the bottom bit, which just has normal apps on it, and then my tunes folder, which I just have the Apple Music thingy and Spotify. I don't really want to share my music taste, so I'm not going to link my Spotify because you'll probably laugh at me. And yeah, that's everything that's on my iPhone. I really hope I'm in the right position in the frame this time because I'm not filming this for the fourth time. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Also, I'm sorry if I sound weird. I have a bit of a cold and I keep like feeling like I need to cough, but nothing actually comes, so yeah. I will see you guys next week. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment if you've got any comments about it, and don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you guys next week. I really hope you enjoyed watching, and bye.